with you how I made this instant cash on my stale inventory. It's self-portrait with a little fringe on it, a zipper front pocket. Thanks, baby. Whoa, let it all go in. Mama needs it all today. So please go ahead and like this video if you enjoy money-making content on YouTube. So I resell clothing online. I resell clothing right now on Poshmark and eBay, and I have had some slow sales. This is Q4, and my sales have not been where they were last year at this time. So I needed some cash to use to put back into more inventory. I went through most of my inventory and I acted like I was at the thrift store shopping for inventory. So I acted like I was at the thrift store in my own reselling closet, and I thought, okay, if I would not pick this item up today to resell, I am going to put it in this bucket. So I went through all my inventory. I found 87 things that I knew that if I was at the thrift store today, I would not pick up. And then I went to Clothes Mentor, which is a buy, sell, trade store. They sell women's clothing, bags, and shoes. I took these 87 items to Clothes Mentor. They ended up buying 33 of those 87 things from me. So that made it about $4.54 per item that I got paid on. So I got $150 from the stale inventory that I had. I'm going to use this in the next couple days, and I am going to put this back into my reselling business. So I am going to go thrifting with this money, and it's going to be so fun. My goal right now is to keep my cost per item lower because I'm not selling items as quickly and for as much as I was used to be able to sell them for. Also, part of my strategy is it's January, so I'm going to be getting more workout items like leggings and sports bras and workout tops. That is my strategy for that. So after I went to this buy, sell, trade store, Clothes Mentor, and sold 33 items, then I took what I had left, which they did not want to take, and I put those items on auction on eBay. So I have over 50 items right now on auction on eBay. So I just started out with the lowest auction that I could do on those items because I don't want to pour these items back into my Poshmark closet. For Poshmark, I want things that are a little bit more name brand, designer, higher quality. On eBay, I know that I can turn these items over quicker and for a lower cost. And if it's something that I wouldn't pick up at the thrift store today, then at least I can make money on it through auction. So I did that last Saturday. It's Saturday again today. So I have over 50 items on auction right now on eBay. I have 6 bids right now on those items. And obviously the closer you get to your item being on auction for 7 days, the more bids that are going to come and the more people are going to want to buy that item. So I'm glad that there's already bidding going on some of those items. And I think it was a good strategy to not hold on to things that I'm not excited about, not hold on to things that I wouldn't pick up at the thrift store today. It's rolling back into auction, and those items that are being auctioned on eBay are not being relisted on Poshmark because you can't have something on auction and somebody buys it. It's not a good idea to cross list if you're going to auction something on eBay. It should just be that. It should just be to auction on eBay, in my opinion, because stopping an auction because somebody bought that item on another platform, eBay would look down upon, the buyers would look down upon that. So you really don't want to do that. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, if you enjoy content on how to make money from home. And also, I had just started a pet sitting business a couple months ago, which I can do from home, which I'm absolutely loving. So if you're interested in learning more about that, please follow my journey and I will give you tips on that. Please comment below your strategies on getting rid of stale inventory, and I will see you next time. Bye.